In August 2021, the Newsbox exclusively broke a story about President Mnangagwa's VIP helicopter which crash-landed at a farm in Sandriam, about 64 kilometers southwest of Harare due to technical failures. Sambela mashiko yacho panapa nokomana ve the Newsbox vachiti madonhero ari kuita mahelicopters mamwe ma-VIP emutungamiri wenyika nemamwe ekumauto zvinyazoratidza kuti aiwa pada kunyatso kupenengurwa nonyatso kuinvestigate kuonekwa chii chiri kukonzeresa ndobva subscribe or like on the bell icon. Panapa tirina the Newsbox amudanyira achiti the incident endangered the life of the president and scared the daylights out of him, prompting an immediate direct reaction from him and subsequent change of security protocols. Mnangagwa was coming from his cricket farm, Shewood Kwekwe, when that happened. Preliminary investigations at the time showed the chopper cockpit avionics indicated the battle was not charging mid-air, prompting the pilot to opt for an emergency landing. Before that, there had been several helicopter incidents involving the Air Force of Zimbabwe crashes and other mishaps. Similarly, after that, other accident also occurred. In September last year, an Air Force of Zimbabwe helicopter which was due to fly Mnangagwa from Bukita, his farm purchase home area, to Harare, crashed during takeoff at Masvingo Airport. The year before, on a trip to Russia in July 2023, Mnangagwa was gifted a VIP transport helicopter, a MiG-38 by President Putin, but it has not yet entered service as pilots were still undergoing training. These are not isolated incidents. They reflect the state and condition of Zimbabwe's broken air force, lack of funding, aging aircraft, poor maintenance, and arms embargo due to targeted Western sanctions. Before have seen Zimbabwe's air force further deteriorate and lose several aircraft to accidents in recent years. Thomas Kwaria panapa au achipelengurwa panapa nokomana with the Newsbox achiti aiwa very very alarming kuti machoppers emutungamiri wenyika nekurespect kwaanoita anoonekwa achifeila. Machoppers eku ZDF nyazonekwa kunzi ndo vanoprotecta nyika anoonekwa mamwe achidona. Zvinozorodza kuti kuri kuleka funding, kuri kuleka maintenance. Ameno ino izvigananda here, we never know. But panguva ino zvinozorodza kuti aiwa pari kuda need pado wanyatso kugadziriswa ipapo. Tudze mafunguro enyu muri kudi pamusoro penhau iri kuuya chiripoti anokomana with the Newsbox. Pina comment section ndibvunza mafunguro enyu. So subscribe or like, chat on the bell icon.